Oh yeah.
Go to school instead of shovel snow?
No, shovel the snow onto the school. So they can't open it. Surprise!
Say hi. Wave to your public. Brandon would rather be at school than out here shoveling all this snow.
I'd rather be anywhere else.
All right, knock it off. Here, Brandon. Say hi to Emily. Say hi to Emily.
It's down my oh, it's down.
Wave to Emily.
No. That's what you get. Stop.
Hold me up.
The snowdrift is taller than I am now, where they've
No,
shoveled.
I don't trust you. You can put it back down.
Matthew, leave him alone.
You won't let me pull them up.
Well, I wouldn't either after you shoved him in it.
Wait.
This is walking up the driveway. Up my steps. My English boxwood bush is in there somewhere.
Oh, look, doing a little video making.
Yeah, what do you think? She was taking a picture of you.
Oh, are you?
You gotta put that on my face.
That's why do you think I said say hi to Emily? It's a video.
I hate you.
Look at the sunlight coming through the tree.
Yes, Mom. I know. That's why I want to finish, so I can go get my camera and take a picture. Look, is there a photo of us? It's not gonna have it.
This is my prized Japanese cherry tree. Side yard. There's my poor little lilac bush. My snowman. My dwarf spruces. Hi.
Hi. Can we try my idea?
What's your idea?
Get lighter fluid and pour it on the snow, and then take a lighter.
He wants to burn the snow.
Yeah.
Now, say hi to Emily.
Emily, come save me.
That would be cool if we get lighter fluid and just like.
I'm in the process of digging my car out, as you can see.
No,
it's in there somewhere.
We're digging her car out.
The truck we won't see till spring. I probably can't get around the side of the house because there's all that snow there.
What?
See if I can make it through.
Matthew.
I want to see if I can make it.
Matthew, don't ruin the tree. Thank you. And
Pretty pink snow boot in the snow, and it's not even touching the drive yet.
I'll get down there.
Look, you ruined the tree.
I didn't ruin the tree.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Get off my tree.
I'm not on your tree.
He's ruining the tree. He's ruining the snow.
I'll come after you.
What? What are you good for? No, Matthew, you're just gonna make it harder to shovel. You need to chill. Calm down.
I can't get out.
That snowdrift is almost 5 feet tall. Granted, it does go up on an upslope, but it's tall.
Ah! You savage!
Say bye for now, boys. Back to work for us.